Sunday. We're back out scrapping. Ooh, I want to show you that. Sit. Some more alcohol cans. I'm going to grab them, but we're having a good night so far. Cans, microwave. Not a bad night. I'm going to get this loaded and I'll see you at the next one. Let's see. That's either brass or plastic. Might as well take it. Front to a speaker. Okay, that's everything from there. We'll come back for that. It looks like we made a mess. Bottles. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Looks like I should have brought my chest mount today instead of just filming with my hand. That's heavy. Child's car seat, and there's liquor bottles too. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna get this stuff. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna get organized, and I'll come back in a second. Well, there's the last ceiling fan and the car seat, because we're not picky. Because it's the dead of winter. And if we can find it, we'll take it. Okay, I'll see you at the next one. Scrubber. There's something interesting over here. If it's what I think it is, I think it's a microwave. Maybe it's not. It's orange. What is that? Is that a toaster oven? That's an old as heck toaster oven. Have you guys seen those knobs? That thing's ancient. We're taking that. I just gotta get organized, and I'll see you at the next one. This one's actually mostly metal. There's the toaster oven, full effect. Cloth cord. We scored a lot. We scored a lot. Come on, get off the fucking tub. Look at that. Copper and brass. Nice. That's why it pays off. We just passed in our scrapper. He had stopped hanging out the back of his van. He drives a utility van. And he was parked in front of a stove, and he was on the phone, so I'm assuming he was calling someone to come and get it. Okay, anything else with the tub? No, okay. Considering the fact we've seen 2 scrappers, we are doing oddly well for seeing 2 scrappers. The one guy's vehicle was fully loaded, like I said, so he's clearly doing well. The other guy's in another van. Oh, I'm gonna get this organized, and then I'll see you back in a sec. Amazing, look at all this. That's absolutely amazing. That's going in the back seat. Oh, that's probably, I don't know, maybe 10 bucks worth of metal because it's all copper and brass. Oh. That's what's frozen. We picked up some aluminum blinds, the old style blinds that are made of aluminum. Okay, weight, we had 320 pounds at 360 a net ton. That's really good for right now. We had 57.60. So yeah, these are going to go in later today or tomorrow. It's supposed to be a nice day today, so I'm going to take apart some stuff. I've got some firewood to cut up, so just going to do different things today. Got to cut up the copper pipe and all that. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Some guy brought me a bag of pop cans. That's the pop cans so far. Wow, that's a good amount of empties. Surprisingly, I found 2 beer balls I've never seen before. I've never seen this one before. I've never seen this one before either. Which is surprising because I don't see new ones very often. I didn't think I was going to find this many bottles, but I didn't bring a lot of bags for empties. I only brought this. I cut the top off and it's basically full already. Oop, that's a good one. That's $2. Okay, that's not a bad stop. Okay, I already pulled out 3 1.5 liter wine bottles. Yeah, we're back in the neighborhood. The neighborhood we left earlier. What am I even saying? Okay. The neighborhood we were in earlier, which was the last street, like when we got that house with 3 blue bins basically full. We're back in that neighborhood. Okay. The other neighborhood was already dumped. At least half it was, so I came out here. see you revving cans very often. Then again, this neighborhood's right by a pretty big liquor store. It's literally like a 3-minute walk from here. Okay. I might throw this on the back of the bike. That's probably what I'll do. Okay, I'll see you the next one. We're getting close to the end. Last street before we head back. This street is on the way back, so this is our... Yeah, we didn't go much out of our way. Alright, my maps always loop back to where I start. Okay, last stop. There's a dishwasher right across the road there. Might come back to that in a couple days. If it's still here. I don't know, I don't got a lot of time to come grab it, so I might come back for it, but might not. If you see a scrapping video, it's in the back of the van that I got it. That's a big one. Looking glass is dangerous. So you're actually not supposed to put it in your recycle bin either. It's supposed to be wrapped in either paper or plastic bags and put in with the garbage. So we're back. Not a bad bit of empties, honestly. I think that was worth it. What time is it actually? I never checked the time. It's 11. 2 hours out. Alright, pop cans empty. Some guy gave me those pop cans. That was super nice of him. All this, there's glass underneath. Once again, it's sad the amount of garbage that's out on the road right now, like just on the side of the road, because, right? I mean, if I had more time, I'd clean up more garbage, but right now I don't have the time, so I'm just grabbing the pop cans as I bike. If your snow's melted, it's time to get out and find these. Even just for scrap aluminum, depending where you're located, right? Monster, Rockstar, James Reddy, Ginger Ale, Michelob, Bubbly, Heineken, Ginger Ale, Laker, right? All those. So yeah, overall, not a bad morning. I might film tonight. I might film tomorrow morning. I've really been enjoying making the videos lately, and I'm going to try to get one out almost every day.